సరే ప్రోగ్రాంలో నా చెప్తే यहाँ पे कॉम्पिटिशन अच्छा चल रहा है।
चल भाई हो गया भाई बसा बसा विनय पीछे बुड्ढे को उठाना
Yeah, when your attention, friends and respected teachers and sirs, I invite you all to this wonderful reunion 2016 of KV Government. On behalf of all my friends, I thank all my teachers and sirs for coming here for this wonderful program. आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत है यहाँ पर इस अच्छे से कार्यक्रम में। हमारे बीच यहाँ पर आज उपस्थित हैं वेलकम रशीद अहमद सर, उषा रानी मैडम, बैग सर, शांति कुमारी मैडम, नारायण सर, लक्ष्मी रानी मैडम, जोसेफ मैडम, कमला रेड्डी मैडम, बिकॉज ऑफ यू बचपन में आपने हमको पढ़ाया लिखाया, मार भी बहुत पड़े हमको। आजकल के टीचर्स को वो प्रिविलेज नहीं है मारने का, वो आप लोगों को था क्योंकि आजकल पेरेंट्स कहते हैं कि भाई बच्चों को मारो नहीं, कुछ बोलो नहीं, इसलिए शायद वो लोग उतनी अच्छी तरह से ऊपर शायद डिसिप्लिन नहीं हो पा रहे, बल्कि we had the privilege of taking even punishments from you. So still we are carrying those values which you inculcated in us. Thank you for all those things. And I request all of you to be like involved in this. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे तो बीच-बीच में आप अपना व्यू शेयर कर सकते हैं। उससे पहले मैं प्रेयर के लिए अपने मित्रों को यहाँ पर आमंत्रित करता हूँ। या मैडम जानकी एंड टीम,
लक्ष्मी, संध्या,
संध्या,
अनीता,
अनीता,
जानकी,
जानकी, एक मिनट अभी आऊंगा।
सत्या का भाई, मम्मा पहले
श्रीकांत शली, बी विजय, संजीव खन्ना, कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम, टी विजय,
Namaste, I'm Vinay. You remember me, I'm table tennis player. Now I'm playing basketball.
Table tennis
Good morning all. I'm Priyan Varghese from Commerce Branch.
Hi, good morning. My name is Ramesh Purohit. Mohan Kumar.
Thank you friends.
I am Vishnu.
Now over to your students for prayer.
गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। The prayer we are going back now. Satgamaya tamasoma ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया। ओम शांति शांति शांति। That's it. Thank you.
प्रोग्राम में और आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं अपने मित्र राजकुमार को यहाँ आमंत्रित करता हूँ। राजकुमार प्लीज।
एमएलए राजकुमार,
विष्णु एंड श्रीकांत, श्रीकांत एंड विष्णु, वीणा एंड अनीता also. Dhanlakshmi. See, to organize this program, they have taken lots of pains, but everyone was involved. अभी शुरुआत इनसे करेंगे कि उनका एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करेंगे कि यहाँ तक कैसे लाए आप लोग?
This initiative was done by T.M. Rajkumar. Congrats to him. All are in WhatsApp group, so daily we used to chat and invite everyone for this event. And I was instrumental in calling all the teachers with the help of all the students.
ये ऑर्गेनाइज करो बोलते सबसे पहले माथुर इनिशिएट करा संजय माथुर, फिर धीरे धीरे सब लोग इन्वॉल्व हुए, तो लाइक दैट माथुर कुछ नहीं आया, वो माथुर उसका फादर
Actually, this event was supposed to be happened almost 2 months back. Earlier, due to my health issue, all the friends have again postponed it for this. I am really thankful for all the friends that they have again postponed and reorganized it. Maybe now a round of applause for everyone.
First of all, I congratulate TN to bring us all together, and he was a cause. It was nothing like, but what happened since his sickness came into the notice, we all friends joined hands and we pulled him out. He's with us, we are very proud of him, and TN plays a lot of role in that. And now today we all are assembled here. It's thankful to you, TN. And one second thing, all the teachers have also joined. Srikanth gave a lot of thanks to Srikanth because he has brought all the teachers so that our memories वापस आ गया है. I really was very happy to see all the teachers. No doubt many of the teachers they know me by name, but it's a long time I have met all of them. I'm really very very happy to be part of it. Thank you.
Morning, friends and teachers. Actually, one day, as I am working in NIC, many teachers used to be in contact with me. One day, TM came to my office. Then I told, let us all organize a reunion like that. Then we started, and whatever numbers I had, I shared. This is a
I don't do much, but just getting in coordinating, sharing TN, Vishnu and Anita and trying to contact few friends who were out of their contact and my contact. So getting in contact and getting them. That's it.
Thank you friends, thank you all of you. और आप सबको भी थैंक्स क्योंकि सबके बिना आप सभी के होने के कारण ये हो रहा है. And actually regarding me, I was planning to skip this program क्योंकि मैं किसी और असाइनमेंट में बिजी था. लेकिन मुझे 2-3 दिन से दोस्त लोग फोन कर रहे कि कंपलसरी आना चाहिए और पिताजी यहीं पर हैदराबाद में तो उनको लाना चाहिए. मैं नारायण सर का तीसरा बेटा हूँ, third son. So last night I took bus ticket and because Pushkarams are going on at Vijayawada, all the routes were diverted via Khammam. So मैं ट्रैफिक में स्टक अप हो गया. बस I came at last at 10:30 to Hyderabad. So thanks to all the friends. खासकर मैं अपने टीचर्स और सर से मिलना चाह रहा था, इसके लिए आया हूँ. दोस्त आप लोगों से भी मैं तो बाद में मुझे पाएंगे वो लोग. So this is really a wonderful opportunity to show our gratitude and respect क्योंकि एक नया कल्चर शुरू हुआ है कि पुराने दोस्त मिले और अपने टीचर्स को भी याद करें और टीचर्स भी कई साल के बाद आप लोग एक दूसरे से मिल रहे हैं, ऐसा मैं मानता हूँ. तो दिस इज ए वंडरफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी. और आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं जो भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं आप लोग उनके बारे में हम इंट्रोडक्शन लेंगे कि व्हाट दे आर डूइंग एंड व्हाट दे आर. सो विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस साइड. या आप आइए कोई वीना स्टार्ट या व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में बहुत एक्टिव है एक मिनट. लेकिन मैं जब कुछ कमेंट करता हूँ तो रिस्पांस दे देती मुझे, उसके बाद में मुझे हिसाब देना है बाद में.
Hi friends, teachers. I am Dhanlakshmi. I studied till 12th standard in KVP. And after that I finished my BA with economics from Nizam College. And after I was doing my final year only, I had the support of one of the coach who wanted to take up me for the training and all. And as you all know that Paswati sir and Shivana sir were the base for me. They have almost they were just behind me till my 12th standard, and it continued all the way. And it was taken over by Mr. Srihari sir, my coach. Presently he is no more. And it was his initiative. I continued sports. And my first performance was in a state meet. I was the champion, winning 100 meters, 200 meters and 400 meters. It was a record, state record. And after that, I presented nationals. And I was doing my final year. At the same time, I was a winner of silver medal in nationals. I was offered a job in Central Excise as an inspector. And since I was an undergraduate, they waited for 3 months so that I can complete my graduation. And as soon as I completed my graduation in 91, they put me into the department as an inspector. And I continued my sports and all. I was a part of team for Asian track and field meet, where I have won gold medal in Malaysia, along with my teammates were P.T. Usha, Shiny Wilson and Sarah Moore. Yes. And that was 92 medal. And 94 Asian Games, we got a silver medal. It was held in Japan, 94 medal, where we got a silver medal. The teammates were same, P.T. Usha, Shiny Wilson, Sarah Moore and myself. And after that it continued. And in 96 I left athletics and I have taken up cricket for a while. And I did play cricket for 1 year or so. And since it was my parents were feeling that I'm passing on time, so I got married in 97. And since my husband is a civil engineer, he was working in Singapore. So I shifted to Singapore. So my cricket, everything, sports and everything came to an halt. And I was totally out of the country for almost 5 years. And after that, we got a chance to shift to London. From there, I have gone to London. And in Singapore, I could know that since I was having only certificates and I was not trained in anything, so because of which I couldn't work anywhere. So that was a small initiative where all the coaches have given me. So since I shifted to London, I did some courses like in athletics and fitness. Fitness is nowadays very prime. I have achieved a diploma in fitness. I'm a personal trainer, qualified from London. In athletics also level 1, level 2, level 3 trainings I have done. And especially in speed. Sprints, I was very interested in sprints. I have done my speed course from London. And in 2005, I came back to India. And since then, I'm continuing working as, now I got a promotion, I'm working as a superintendent in an excise department, central excise department. And I have 2 kids. My elder son is studying NIT second year in Taribali, and the second one is studying 5th standard. And my husband is a civil engineer, so he's doing regular jobs, civil jobs. That's it, my interest.
Wonderful, Dana. You have achieved so much, all because of KV, Kendriya Vidyalaya system. And anyone needs any services regarding service tax, sale tax, etc., or exemptions, she is always there. So you can be in touch with her. Thank you. Now we invite Sanjeev Khanna. Hi, Sanjeev.
Good afternoon, respected teachers and dear friends. It's great to be here after 28 years. I'm currently based in Bangalore, but when I heard about the reunion, it didn't take me a minute to decide that I will certainly come here. And actually, I joined KP Golconda in the 12th class. My father was in the army, and we were in Gwalior, and he got posted here. And we were in Kanchanbagh. We were in Kanchanbagh. At that point of time, Kanchanbagh did not have a commerce stream, and I was in commerce, 11th class at that commerce, and I was insisting that I wanted to continue in commerce because there was only arts over there. So then my father said that you have to travel, the only other place is Picket or KV Golconda, and you will have to travel quite a lot because there is no other bus facility. So I said, okay, I'm willing to do that. So I got admission in KV Golconda, and then from Kanchanbagh to Golconda I used to travel almost 1.5 hours every day by taking 3 buses. And initially, because we were in the army in Gwalior, I used to have a very comfortable travel to school. The army bus used to take us, and So initially, when I came here, after a few weeks, I was feeling very disappointed that I have to travel so much, and so much time is going away. Just traveling such a distance. But then, slowly I started interacting with all the friends here and the teachers, and I realized that, it's a great school to be. And